Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Online Income. In this video we are going to talk about Tomarket farming pool. If you know you mine Tomarket and you have received your Tomarket allocation, it is required for you to farm it and receive a duck. Now if you are still mining, well, I don't know, I think the mining is over. But if you still continue to perform this task, no problem. Probably there will be a second season. But if there is none, let's carry out the task that is available now. Let's go to the farming pool. You click here. You click here. Okay. Click on this place. Say N. Click the N button. Now we are in the farming pool. So we are going to stake our location. Whatever allocation that is given to you, you can stake them all or stake part of it. So I'm going to do my own and show you. I know Tomarket gave us dust based on what we have, but the allocation they give compared to what I mine was very little, but there's nothing one can do. And for those whose account you are banned, you just have to take it this way, because there's nothing any one of us can do. But there's a second opportunity. They said if your account if your account is banned, you should fill a form and send back to them, that they will look into it next week. So you might be lucky to have your own case account review and the allocation given to you. So let's click stake now. Now before the staking, we can perform all these tasks. Join DuckChain. So I'm going to perform these three tasks. Join DuckChain. As we find, we are going to earn duck. So that is what they said. Enter. Claim. Okay. Collect. Good. Join start session. The task is just, let me go back. So I've done all these ones. Collect egg. So as we are farming, we are going to be earning egg on DuckChain. So let's go back. The second one, subscribe to DuckChain channel. Okay. So make sure you do this. You perform these three tasks, so that you can farm successfully. Follow DuckChain on X. I think this is the last task. We are done with the task. So we follow. Okay. Go back to click next. Now they said input the amount of TOMA you want to stake. If I click maximum, it will show all my coin here, and I have 4 days for this pool. So I'm going to stake part of it. Let me say 20,000. 20,000. Okay, 20,000. Confirm. Good. You can stake more. Let's click and see what they will. Okay, you can add more stake on it. So this is it, and this staking pool will last for 4 days, and this is what I will earn. Expected reward $1,500. Now, as you have performed those tasks on Duck, you can still go to Duck and be mining Duck too, since they consider it an important project. That's why they gave us opportunity to mine it here. So let's try stake more again. Let me add some TOMA and see how it works. 10,000. Oh, this is 100,000. This 10,000. So you can add up to what you have. So I will earn 2,500 Duck. So this is how easy it is to mine, to stake this project. So watch the video and follow the step. I will drop the link for the farming in the comment section so that you can do your own immediately you watch this video. If this is your first time coming across my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you can receive notification immediately. Also, like and share this video for others to watch and follow the process and do the tasks.